Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance Skilla!
Marcus beat the duo. Said the TV never spill over and drop in now.
Just want to see them take out the TV.
Wicked them.
Wow.
And the one chair them fed a cocoa said no. Supposed to be windy.
Dark side rushing. You know now, just here. I can't help.
I got that going, yes.
Okay, first come on. I should not hear them from the car. You know, them what's that?
But she not really, she not.
You look at them jump on the wall. But I have to see them and hear them. If me song on that tree. I feel them, man. Sometimes I gotta look behind me. But them I feel that something I'm carrying out. Something I'm carrying me.
Me know say a lot of people never expect this one. You see me? Yeah, because of all the place might have be a ghetto settings or what, they never expect a surveillance camera that catch them. Probably till this day they even know. You see it? Alright, it's not a laughing matter still. But this way see happen right here, so you know it's actually a crime. Breaking, entering and taking out people's things is stealing, it's a crime. You see me I say? But me just showing you that video of which me gonna see the powers of surveillance camera. You see it? So people, you don't so go on, no need to open your eyes, look, see, hear and think for yourself. And protect yourself because this world is getting crazy. You understand? Yeah. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla. And this is the Skilla ENT, you know, big up on yourself, is it?